Students, our earth is also a heavenly body. So it is also included in the sun's family. That means in the solar system, the earth is also included. The word universe. Universe the word universe, it stands for everything that exists in space. That means the solar system exists in the space only. So the universe means whatever is there in the universe. We are also here. Nobody can exactly say how the universe was formed. Probably 2000 crore years ago, the universe was formed due to Big Bang. Big Bang means striking two things and becoming this universe. So it is difficult to understand the vastness of the universe. This universe has countless number of galaxies. This universe has countless number of galaxies. Galaxy means, you can say in our own language, in Bengali language, we can say it Chayapat. The Chayapat means they have their own way how they will go. So you can see in your book Milky Way galaxy picture is there, so you can understand how this galaxy is. So our sun and the stars that you see in the night sky, so we can see that yes, stars are there, and the sun is also there during daytime, we can see. So these all make a galaxy. It is called Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy. So Milky Way galaxy means our sun and all the stars. It includes sun and all the stars. And this Milky Way galaxy has about 10,000 crore stars. So it has 10,000 crore stars. Can you imagine that 10,000 crore stars are there in the sky? What we see in the sky, 10,000 crore stars. These stars or the planets and the other heavenly bodies what are there in the sky, if we understand the distance of one another, so it is very difficult to derive. That means it is difficult to get the unit for measuring the distance between these various heavenly bodies in the universe, because they are far from one another, very long distance, and we cannot measure it through miles or kilometers. There is no such instrument to measuring the unit. So instead normally a unit is used to measure, it is called light year. Light year. So what is light year? How we can measure with the help of light year? Light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. That means in a year, how long this light can go, it is called this light year. Means in 1 year, how the light, what is the speed? The speed of light is 3 lakh kilometer per second. So the light goes 3 lakh kilometer per second. Thus the light travels a distance of about 9 lakh 50,000 crore kilometer in 1 year. As the distance are more from one heavenly body to another, so they use light year. That means they count it in a year system. In a year, how long they can go. Now stars. If we see in the sky, stars are very small, twinkling at night. But do you know that these stars are huge heavenly body? That means the distance of stars from us is very far. That is why it is very small, looking very small. These stars have their own light and heat. So they have their own light and heat also. But they are very far from us. That is why the light comes to us. It is like twinkling small thing. So that is why this light we cannot get properly. That is why it is twinkling at night. How the stars formed? It formed from the clouds of gas. That means what gas is there in the sky, so together it becomes a star. And also some dust particles are there in space. So this dust particle and gas of clouds form a star. And it is called nebula. It is called nebula. It can be visible if there are stars in or near it. Stars we have understood. Now sun. What is sun? Sun is also a star. Sun is also a star. It looks big because it is nearer to us. As stars are very far from sun and us, that is why it is twinkling, and sun is little closer to us, that is why we can see it very big. So it is also a star. We can see 6,000 stars in the sky at night because they are visible, and from their stars many more stars are there that we cannot see because it is very far from that stars. So these 6,000 stars only we can see at night. And the nearest star to the earth, that means from us, the nearest star is Proxima Centauri. The nearest star is Proxima Centauri. It is more than 4.24 light years away. 4.24 light years away. So 4.24 light years away, students, you count the light year. So 1 light year means 9,50,000 crore kilometer. So you find out 4.24 light years. So that means you can understand the distance of this Proxima Centauri. So you find out it.